Hi there, Walt here with the Schultz team. I wanted to run through the difference between an FHA transaction, if you're a first-time home buyer, and a conventional 3% down transaction. So, really the question is what path do you want to go? Do you want to go FHA or do you want to go conventional, and why? Now, I will say that the main difference between FHA and conventional is that on an FHA transaction, you're going to have mortgage insurance the whole life of the loan, unless you're putting 10% down. You also have a mortgage insurance premium that is financed on top of the loan amount. On this specific transaction, we're looking at $7,599 that's financed on top of your loan amount for the right to be able to do a FHA transaction. So therefore, and that's a upfront FHA funding fee, mortgage insurance financing funding fee, whatever you want to call it. It's a fee that's financed on top of your loan amount. So let's go through really those are the two downsides to FHA. Let's go through the rest of FHA and conventional. Now, one thing that you'll notice is typically interest rates are going to be a little bit lower on FHA than they are in conventional. Typically, an eighth to a quarter percent lower, unless you have lower credit scores, then they're going to be both conventional and FHA are going to be a little bit higher. Now, this transaction, we're looking at a $450 purchase price. You'll notice that the loan amount again is higher, even though you're putting 3.5% down on FHA. Again, that's because of the mortgage insurance premium financing fee. And then you're looking at 3% down. Your loan amount would be $436.5 on conventional. Again, lower interest, a little bit lower interest rate. Total payment would be roughly $35.23 on FHA, opposed to $35.70 on conventional. Cash to close, you're going to be a little bit higher because you're putting 3.5% down instead of 3% down. So that's why you're seeing $26,445 opposed to $24,195. Now, you'll see that the savings on a monthly basis, we're saving about $46 a month going FHA over conventional. However, you've got that mortgage insurance that's always on the loan the whole life of the loan, as well as the mortgage insurance financing fee. Now, as we run through, the big difference again here between FHA and conventional is that FHA has a little bit lower monthly mortgage insurance than conventional would be. And as we again go through the difference, the down payment is going to be a little bit more on FHA than it would be on conventional. And again, the mortgage insurance financing fee right here, upfront mortgage insurance financing fee premium would be financed on top of your loan amount. So I hope that really helps you to be able to know the difference. If you have any questions, please reach out. We're here to help in any way that we can. Thanks. Bye-bye.